Good morning, students. You learned till date under the measures of central value, the arithmetic mean or average mean in the all series such as indivisible, discrete, and continuous. As you know, the arithmetic mean is the algebraic mean. Now, after calculating the arithmetic mean, the central value can also be measured by the positional value of the series, which is called median mode. Median and mode, these two methodology we will study over here, and other quantile division are also there. Median, which refers the positional value of the series, mean which item is positioned in the middle of the series, that means the positional value. So here, irrespective of the mean or mode, the median refers the position of the central item, mean which is in the center of the whole series. So median divides the whole series into two parts. This is the whole series collected. The item or the data is there. It starts from minimum to maximum. So it divides into two parts. Two parts have been divided. And which item is in the very middle part, that is called median. Means whatever median value we will get, the one part be less than the median value and the next part will be more than the median value. एक पार्ट मीडियन वैल्यू से अधिक होगा, एक पार्ट मीडियन वैल्यू से कम होगा. दिस इज द एक्चुअल पोजीशन ऑफ द मीडियन आइटम, मीडियन वैल्यू. सो median is what? Median is the value of the variable which divides the series into two equal parts. According to Connor, the median is that value of the variable which divides the group into two equal parts, one part comprising all values greater than the median value and one part, the other part comprising all the values smaller than median value. So it falls over here. This is called median. This is the position of the item. So what to do, how to calculate, this is very important factor. Now see how median can be calculated or valued. Median method of finding median or calculating median. Two methods are there: algebraic and graphical. Two methods are used: graphic method and algebraic method. Algebraic method, where we will use some formulae, and graphic method, the one drawing or one graph will be drawn. That is called graphic method. Now median under the several series, as you know, there are three series: indivisible, discrete, and continuous. There are three series of the data. Depends on the size of the statistical information. That is called size of items. Now, if that is individual series, the very first step, see, I am going to write the formula in it, but see what to do first. Step 1, first of all, in this case, arrange the series. Arrange the series in ascending or descending order. सबसे पहले जो सीरीज है, whatever series with you, that should be arranged systematically. If that is given in the puzzled way, if that is given zigzag way, as it was collected, that is put before you. So that should be arranged first of all from smaller to the greater or from greater to the smaller. पहले छोटे से बड़े या बड़े से छोटे की, इसको पहले अरेंज कर लेंगे. And then we'll put the number of items in it. Numbering of each item. Then you become to know how many items are there. That is called n. What is called? That is n. N. That is called n. This number of items may be in odd or in even number. Odd mean if that is here 5 or 7 number, 9 number, 3 number. If that is even 4, 6, 8. Likewise it is given. So what to do in that case? And then find the median item. We will find the median item. Step 3. Find median item by using the formula n plus 1 upon 2. 2th item. N plus 1 upon 2. Here under this case individual series we can use the formula to find the position of the median value by using number of item plus 1 upon 2th item. Whatever number is there, 2th item, whatever position is given, the position being given, before that position the size of item is called median value. Understood? Whatever position you get by using this median number or median item n plus 1 by 2, before that item, before that number, the size of item presented, that is called median value. Whatever the variable is given in that size of item is called median value. Understood? Now see, for example, I am taking here, these items are there, suppose 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are the some items. Of these, you have to find which item, which variable. These are the variables. Which variable is located in middle. You can check it by observing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the middle. But you put the number of it 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7 item is there. Then n plus 1 upon 2, that is 7 plus 1 upon 2, that is 8 upon 2 equal to fourth item. Fourth item is this one. This is the variable before the fourth item, that is called median, is 8. It is divided into two parts, two equal parts, 3 items below the median value, 3 items above the median value. This is the lower than the median value, this is the greater than the median value. So it is called median. Understood? Likewise, see, that was given in the even figure. Now, if it is given in the odd figures, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These items are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The nth item you will calculate n plus 1 by 2 by using this formula. 8 plus 1 upon 12th item, that is 4.5th item. 4.5 lies in these two, mean it is above 4 but below 5. How it will be calculated? So in that case, you take the fourth item full, fourth item plus fourth item plus fifth item upon 2. Fourth item plus fifth item upon 2. That is 8th plus 9, 8 and 9 upon 2, 17 upon 2, 8.5. So 8.5 is the median value. 8.5. This is the median value. In the individual series, you can calculate like this. Same in the discrete series you can find. Is it clear? Now understood? So here one example is also given. See the example. It's written, from the following data of income of 5 lies, compute the median income. The income have been given under the individual series. Individual series income rupees. It's given 1600, 1800, 1500, 1400, 1700. 5 items are there. It's given. Now you have been asked to find the median income of these items which positioned in the middle. So first of all, the step one you have to take, arrange this data. Arrange this list in the ascending order. That is, the smallest one is 1400. Arrange income arranged 1400, then 1500, then 1600, then 1700, then 1008. Now it is arranged. The items are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then n plus 1, median number you will find, n plus 1 upon 2. It is 5 plus 1 upon 2. Third item is this. Before this, the variable positioned at 1600, mean 1600 is positioned at the third number, which divide the whole series into 2 equal parts. Now it lies in the middle. Though median value is or variable is 1600. Now it's clear in the individual series. Now you learn if that is given in the even number, when item have been given in the even numbers, then in that case how will you do? The items are given here. Find the value of the median from the following data. That is, data have been given 15, 35, 48, 46, 50, 43, 55, 49. These items have been given. So first of all, you have to arrange these data, these series in the ascending or descending order. Now I am going to present it or arranging it in the ascending order. See, the smallest one is 15. Then next is 35. Then next is 43. Then next is 46. Then 48. Then 49, 50 and 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. Now, which variable is lying in the middle of this series? That is the median or median value. So, if you count it and see it equally divided, it lies over here. It means that it is only observation only. This lies between 46 to 48. So, by using the method algebraic, then you have to find the same value, same variable as median. Now see, using the formula n plus 1 upon 2, that is 8 plus 1 upon 2, 4.5th item, mean it is more than 4 and less than 5. So you see, the variable before the 4 and variable before the 5, take both and then divide it by 2, where it is given 0.5, divided by 2. 2 equal to 47. So median value is 47. Is this clear? Now, next is under the discrete series, how to calculate the median. Discrete series, that means along with the size of items, the frequencies of these items also being given. You know a discrete series because the items repeat itself, so that is called frequency. Discrete series. Calculation of median. In discrete series. Step 1. First of all, convert the frequencies in cumulative frequency. Size of item and frequencies have been given. So first of all, you convert the frequencies into the cumulative frequency. Then next is find the median number median number, that is n plus 1 upon 2. Mean total of frequency is the n. Total of the frequencies is n plus 1 upon 2. And before this, you keep in your mind, if that is unarranged data, that should be first of all arranged in the systematic way, that is ascending or descending order. Now it is found. As the median item you will find. So see, that median number falls under which cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency. The corresponding size of item is median value. Yes, median value. So what to do? First of all, you arrange the data in a systematic manner in the ascending or descending order. Second, convert all the frequency in the cumulative frequency. Then you find the median number by using the n plus 1 by 2 total frequency plus 1 upon 2. Whatever number of items or the median number is there, then see that median number falls under which cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency is there, that is covered under that frequency. If that is covered under the frequency, that cumulative frequency, corresponding size of item before that cumulative frequency is the median value. See, by using the formula in it, there is an example in it. That is also from your book. I am taking example from your book because it becomes easy to understand to all of you. Find out the median size of shoes sold per day. Before that, determine the median from the following data. To example, we will take. Determine the median value from the following data. Values have been given. Values 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. These are the values and its frequencies. That is called F. It's called X. Size of item 1, 2, 9, 13, 15 and 8. This is given. Then what to do? First of all, it is in the arranged manner, so there is no more work to arrange it. Then convert it to the cumulative frequency. Cumulative 1, 1, 2, 3. With that you will add from 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 9, 12, 12, 13, 25, 25, 15, 40, 40 or 8, 48. This is cumulative one. Cumulative means total of frequency is also 48. 48. Now use the formula. Find the m item, median item, n plus 1 upon 2. This is 48 plus 1 upon 2. 49 upon 2. 24.5. That is covered under the 25th item, and the size value of before this item is corresponding median is 11. Median value is 11. Got it? It's very easy. Now see the another example. Another example is there. Find out the median size of shoes sold per day from the following data. And the size of shoes being given, size of shoes that is given in the fraction 5, 6, 5.5, 8, 7, 6.5, 7.5. Frequency of it means the number of pairs sold, that is called frequency. Number of pairs sold. These are given 3, 5, 4. 12, 30, 15. 60. This is given. So first of all, you have to arrange this data. Arranging the data from smaller to the greater. The very smaller is 5. The size of shoes X. I am writing X here only. Then 5.5. Then 6. Then 6.5. Then 7. 7.5. 8. Now arranged accordingly. The frequency should be written 5, 3, 5.5, 4, 6, 5, 6.5, 15, 7, 13, 7.5, 60, 8, 12. This is the frequency. Now it is arranged. Then find the cumulative frequency. 3, 3, 4, 7, 7, 5, 12, 12, 12 15, 27, 27, 13, 40, 40, 60, 100, 112. Now n plus 1 upon 2. What we will find? Median number under which frequency it falls. That is 112 upon 2. 56. And 56 falls under the 100. So median value is 7.5. No, it's somewhere I am missing. Let me correct it. This was 30. Now let me correct it. But even that figure is given, it's not wrong, but let me correct as similar to your book. 30, 57, 17, 129. Now 129 upon 2, 64.5. It is also falls under 117. So the median value is 7.5. What was wrong I done? I did. That was also correct question. Not similar to your book, but that was correct question. Okay. This is the calculation of median under the discrete series. Now next we will study in the next class, this period, the continuous series and mosaic curve, how to calculate the median. That is enough for today. Have a good day. Thank you.